This is Gene Keys, Skyserve, Texas News. In a surprising move, a Houston grand jury indicts the leaders behind the Planned Parenthood videos. NBCDFW.com contributed to this report. A Houston grand jury investigating undercover footage of Planned Parenthood found no wrongdoing Monday by the abortion provider and, in a surprising move, indicted anti-abortion activists involved in making the videos that targeted the handling of fetal tissue in clinics and provoked outrage among Republican leaders nationwide. It's the first time anyone in the group has been charged criminally since the release of the videos, which began surfacing last year and alleged that Planned Parenthood sold fetal tissue to researchers for a profit in violation of federal law. Republican Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton says his own ongoing investigation into Planned Parenthood will proceed. Earlier this month, Planned Parenthood sued the producers of the video in California federal court, alleging the videos were the result of numerous illegalities, including making recordings without consent, registering false identities with state agencies, and violating non-disclosure agreements. A bald eagle in Texas is euthanized after being severely burned. KXAN.com contributed to this report from Beaumont. 2 businessmen found the injured eagle in a field. The bald eagle was electrocuted, most likely by a power line in her nesting area. The current traveled from her foot through her body and out the left side of her head. She suffered severe burns. Hope was brought to the Wildlife Center of Texas in Houston, where veterinarians determined she couldn't survive. She was about 3 years old. Bald eagles were on the endangered list until 2007. They're still protected by federal law. Texas immigration lawyers file a lawsuit over harboring immigrants in Texas illegally. The Associated Press contributed to this report from San Antonio. Immigrant rights attorneys filed a federal lawsuit Monday challenging parts of a Texas border security bill they said could allow state authorities to target shelters and landlords for harboring immigrants who are in the country illegally. The Mexican-American League Defense and Education Fund is asking a judge to find unconstitutional part of the far-reaching security bill the state passed in 2015. The group suing includes 2 landlords who say they could be hurt by the law because they don't ask the immigrant status of their tenants. Also suing is the director of a San Antonio-based Immigration Legal Services Center that also runs a shelter for immigrants. Republican State Representative Dennis Bonnen, who authored the bill in question, called the lawsuit frivolous. The bill also creates the new crime of continuous harboring of immigrants for 10 days or more. In recent years, federal courts have struck down immigrant harboring laws in Arizona, Georgia, Pennsylvania, and South Carolina as preempted by federal law. Visit us on YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter at Skyserve News Service. This is Gene Keys, Skyserve, Texas News.